Welcome to this interview of LD Remedial World. I'm happy you joined this community. And before I ask you more questions, I would like you to introduce yourself, your professional journey as Kanchan. What has been your education and what has been your journey as a teacher or whatever you're doing? Yeah, kindly tell us.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Kanchan Arora from New Delhi. It has been 11 years. I have been working, I started my journey as a small tuition teacher. I dealt with students up to 10th standard, and they used to always come with a, very sad face, ki tuition mein padhna hai, whatever the school teacher has given her, what are the upcoming exams. That really made me, little sad, why these children are sad, doing the school work. Then as everybody needs to grow and everybody wants to grow, so right. I started, my journey as an IELTS trainer. There I have been dealing in since 5 years with adults. I've been teaching them IELTS, and that's my biggest achievement. Each my student has got their, desired band in first attempt. That made me, more confidence in my teaching line. But still something was always, something was missing. What was it? I realized it after joining LD Remedial World.
So how did you join our community, our system? How did you come to know about it?
I was just scrolling Facebook and I just saw your flyer on it, and that attracted me a lot. The word dyslexia, it attracted me a lot, and I thought, why not learn more about it, get more information about it. That's where, I signed up for your free webinar, and I was a part of your webinar, and through that, I came to know more about you and your remedial world. But that didn't end. I called up you and I asked you several more questions before joining this remedial world. But I should say I made a very, very good decision. I am too happy now looking at the remedial world and being a part of your remedial world.
Thank you. Thank you. So what are the changes that you have seen in yourself as a person or as a teacher having joined this community? How are you able to perform better with children, or what are your learnings from this community?
Learning is not one. There are multiple learnings which I've learned from this remedial world. First of all, I should mention everybody out there, her videos, Bala ma'am's videos, whatever she's been coaching us are magic. They are too simple. Any teacher can apply them, can implement them on their children easily, whether it is a teacher or a parent. It becomes very easy. What I have seen in India, students who have this dyslexia problem, I shouldn't say this problem, parents, hide themselves. They are not telling it openly to the world. Exactly. Please, everyone out there, come and join this remedial world, and you will gain a lot. Every week when we are meeting, weekly meetings are there, you get to know about so many children. And maybe that must be your own question and you are getting the answer. I have implemented her videos on my son itself. He doesn't have any disability, but I have seen magic. I've implemented them on my students. I have learned how to deal, how to start my session, how to teach a simple multiplication in a very fun-filled manner. Different types of games which a child can, build up their confidence and plus concentration, which every focus. Hum Hindustan mein kehte hain focus karo. So that is where a child will, learn. The most important, ma'am, I should say, a smile on that child's face and a parent's face. It makes your day. And it started, even I have started feeling more content. Yes, I'm doing something which is more honorable and more helpful to children.
Absolutely. So, we have this concept in India that teachers hain, bichari teachers hain, gareeb hain, wo to aisa hi hota hai. So, that's the mission of this community, that there is nobody bichara bichari. If you learn new skills and if you upgrade yourselves from one level to the other, you're definitely growing as a person, growing professionally and personally, by which you can earn any amount that you want. But it is like beginning is from your own self. It's not a BA degree, or it is not one degree that makes you a teacher. It's a continuous process of learning that makes you a better person. And I'm happy you chose to do that. Like, I hear your story from a tuition teacher to an IELTS and now a remedial educator. You have decided to grow, and that's why you can see all this change in yourself. And that's a message, I think, to all the teachers who just sit back and try to finish the portion. Education is not about completion of portion. It's more about touching hearts and connecting with those children, especially who need our help. Education is all about that. Amazing. So, yeah, you want to say something, Kanchan?
Absolutely correct, ma'am. And I feel proud to say myself that I'm a remedial educator. I don't want to be called as an IELTS trainer. Or I am proud to say, because I am really now. It's not your mission. It's my mission to connect with more and more students, give them a life, bring a smile on the parents' face and a child's face, change their life.
Awesome. So, what age group are you comfortable working?
See, age group, if you ask me, I'm comfortable working from a 6-year-old child to maybe a 50-year-old adult.
Wow.
I
awesome.
am comfortable because I just mentioned I started my journey from a tuition teacher, and I've dealt with both the age groups, child and an adult, both easily. Excellent. This much confidence I have developed in all these years ki I can deal with any age group.
Awesome. So this is for the viewers. Kanchan is somebody who can work with multiple age groups and specializing exceptionally with languages, right, Kanchan?
Yes.
So any one of you who wish to connect with Kanchan, I'll be sharing her details in my inbox there. You can definitely connect. And those of you who wish to become a remedial educator or a remedial parent, who want to shift from just being a regular normal school parent to do something for benefit of 35 million children who are struggling with learning challenges, you're welcome to click the link below where you can join my free webinar, attend the webinar and understand what is this process of learning and probably shift to this field. Not only shift your career, shift your earning ability also, by which you can grow in multifolds. So, Kanchan, is there some last message or something that you want to share to the people who would be listening to you?
Yes, definitely. This is a message for every parent and every school teacher. Don't even think twice. Join LD Remedial World. It will change. You might be able to change many more lives, or maybe a child's life who is really lacking. Her tips and tricks in this, all the videos are amazing. It's a magic. Magic means magic. Come and join this magic, and you yourself, I'm waiting. आप भी आओ मेरे तरफ, आप भी आओ, आप भी सुन, आपकी कहानी हम सुनेंगे फिर.
Absolutely. So is online coaching difficult or easy? How do you find it now?
No, ma'am, it's not at all difficult. In fact, it is more easy also, because
it's more connecting, isn't it?
Yes, more connecting. The world has become smaller.
Yeah.
COVID has made this world smaller. People are looking at negative points, but I'm looking at the positive points. Because of this COVID, we are able to connect with so many people. World has become now one platform, this easy platform. So boundaries don't matter to me anymore.
All right. Fantastic. So thank you so much, Kanchan, for your interview, and wishing you all the luck. Best wishes. Keep watching more videos. You're coming up with the next level. I'm sure you'll be joining that level also and learning to another area of success, growing to another area of success. So wish you all the best, and God bless. See you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.